Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to tell you the 7 steps to create a YouTube channel just using your mobile phone. The first thing is to buy a good camera phone. So I have bought OnePlus 7 as my YouTube camera phone. So the camera quality is pretty good and we have many options in it to adjust the focal length, and it's a good camera phone. So technically I am trying to say is that buy a phone with all the good camera features. The second step is to create a Google account. So usually in every phone there will be a Google account. So just go to YouTube and name your channel as you like and create the content, plan accordingly whichever thing you're going to put. So this is mine. So I've created my channel. Nothing to do, just go to YouTube, you will see your channel yourself. The next thing is to shoot your content. So you have a plan to do the content, so shoot the content which you like and which you have planned to do. The next step is to edit your video. So we need a good editor. So we have KineMaster. It is a cracked version, so there will be no watermark in this version. So I will give the link of this KineMaster in the description below. So you can see it's very easy to edit the video in this KineMaster. So go select a video which you are going to edit. So we can select the length at which we should create a split. Just trim the video as you like and do all the transition works. So there are a lot of options to trim, to extract audio, put transition in it. There are various transition. You can see we can adjust the time of the transition also. So we can select the transition which we like as shown in the video. So there are other options, like if you want to put a text, a designer text. So it is an inbuilt text styles which we are getting. So we can put this text as shown in the video. So this is the normal. So this is a centered one, a modern style. So we can create it manually also. This is why I like KineMaster, because we can edit the video simple and effectively, and we can put filters in the video also. So this is the simplest video editor which I have found on net. We can use different filters. So this is the part how we should edit the videos on KineMaster. So editing is very important. The next step is to export the edited video according to the quality. There are 4K to, so I used to export in 180p. As the quality goes up, the MB also will go up, so there will be more storage issue. So export the video, and the next step is to create a thumbnail. So I'm using a Malayalam image editor. So this is the image editor which I use. So create a board, dashboard, and select the size of the thumbnail which fit into YouTube. So the breadth of the height of the thumbnail should be adjusted as YouTube, and select a picture as some thumbnail, and we can just stretch it, and like it is all depending upon our idea and whichever content we are creating. So this is the thing which we should do. A good thumbnail will attract more viewers and more subscribers. So thumbnail is one of the important thing we should do while creating a YouTube video. So everyone has different ideas, and different softwares are also available to create thumbnails. So I like this editor. you can select your own editor like Pixalab, Snapseed, etc. So we can create a thumbnail. The next thing we should do is to upload the video. Uploading is a very simple step. After editing your video, just go to gallery, select the video, press the share button, and you can see the YouTube. Just click on that. That's it. And here, from here also we can trim the video. So here the first pass, go to title, add the title to the video, and next to add the description. So always upload it as unlisted, because afterwards there is another step I will show you. So we can select the location. I like the location to be USA. So after that we have to upload the video. So uploading is simple. There should be no copyright. It should be genuinely our product. So this is how we should upload the video. After uploading, there will be a processing time which they will see if there is any copyright to this video or not. The next step is open YouTube Studio. There's an application called YouTube Studio. In this YouTube Studio, we can view, analyze our video, and do different things. YouTube Studio is a studio app which we can view, edit, and put tags in our video. So select the video which we have uploaded. Here we can edit all the titles, descriptions. So we can edit all the descriptions and whichever thing, like before posting the video online, we can update and edit the descriptions and add the tabs. By clicking at that unlisted, we can put it as public. So tags will be related to related to the video which you have created. So I will put how to create YouTube videos, like that. So it should be related to the content whichever you are putting, like that. Tags are, people used to search using these tags. So if they want to get your video, which words they should put in the search button to get the video. So this is the monetization. We can select different, and we can avoid different ads. If the monetization is enabled, we can do accordingly. So this is the category of video, and nothing else we should do. Let it be the same. And if you want some alteration, you can do. If you don't want to add comment, and you can delete the video. So after pressing all that, we can save the edits after putting the unlisted, after changing the unlisted to public. So that's the thing, how to create a video, upload a video, and post a video on YouTube. The second thing is to do a thumbnail selection. We can select the thumbnail from the preview, or else we can select a thumbnail which we have created. So select like this and save it. So thumbnail is also uploaded. After that, we should remove the unlisted and make it public. So these are the steps which we can do a successful video in YouTube, and copy the link and share to the different platform outside YouTube. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos to come.